Now the other thing that I want to show, because a lot of times in these projects, right, we do deposits along the way. So if I go in and create an invoice, and I'm going to create an invoice for a customer deposit because they're paying me midway through. We have a whole video on customer deposits. And the account that the customer deposit goes to, we're going to add a new account because I don't have this in my sample file. And it's going to be another current liability called customer deposits, which is deferred revenue, right? And then say save and close. And say save and close because I set it up. Now I'm going to put in here that we have a $85,000 customer deposit, save. So that comes in here. Now notice that on this report, it shows open invoices, but it doesn't show revenue yet because we have no recognized revenue yet. But my whole point of doing all this was going back into my report and going down to the business overview, project profitability. You see here that it shows a very similar thing to when we are looking at the report in the project's dashboard. So even though I have some revenue in here, I haven't recognized that revenue yet. So I need to go in and make sure to recognize that revenue in order for it to show up on this report. So it's not just that it's on a sales type transaction, it's that it hits a profit and loss type account of income.